Look at this, folks. This is going to be a fun project. Welcome back to the Thornberry Farm. We got a new pressure washer. Made a dramatic entrance. Well, here she is, folks. The Power Horse hot water pressure washer. Not a steam cleaner, but hot water. So this thing is boasting powerful cleaning. Hot water cleans oil, grease, grime 2 times faster than cold water. Propane powered burner heats water up to 150 degrees in minutes for maximum cleaning power. Easy to use, lightweight, easy to handle design, and simple connection to propane tank to power burner. 20-pound tank not included. We've got one here. Built to last, durable triplex plunger cone. Thermal protection and low oil shutdown to ensure long-lasting performance. Reliable power has the Power Horse brand, so that's Northern Tool is the Power Horse connection, their brand. Power Horse 212 overhead valve engine goes up to 3,600 psi and 2.6 gallons per minute, so not at that 4 gallon per minute commercial level or anything like that, but 2.6, pretty respectable. Includes quick connect nozzle, 15, 25, 40 degree, and soap nozzles, LD regulator, 30-foot reinforced hose, lance, and gun. So, stay tuned, folks. It's going to get Northwoods. Fixing to fire this thing up, not wearing a microphone, so hopefully you can bear with the audio. Got the assembly finished up. I think I got it all ready to go. I put fresh fuel in it. I got LP gas. Gas is turned on. Fuel valve is turned on. I'm gonna choke it. See if she goes. Final assembly wasn't too bad. The battery compartment's a little cheesy on the water heater. The strap that holds this has got a little latch thing. It's worthless. Just didn't cut long enough or something. I thought that might be a problem. When I assembled it, I was like, oh, that doesn't seem like it's holding by much. As soon as I rolled it across the lawn, it popped open. I wish I'd have put big pneumatic wheels on the front as well. It would roll even easier across the lawn, but having said that, personal impression, I don't think this is a thing that you want to bash around too much. The unit itself might be all right. The water heater, I think, might be a little sensitive to jarring. Having said that, let's see if we can open it. So good. Okay, folks, well, pretty happy overall. It's still a bit of work. Get it blasted off, but it's cleaning up nice. This old barn crib gonna turn out great. Now, I don't need to get 100% of the red paint off. I want all the wood to show through. It's gonna look like wood primarily, but if you walk up close and you see some red and stuff like that, that's okay. I got red accents for the rest of my buildings, red roofs. So, it's come together nicely. Till next time.